Minister, Michael Noonan, thank you very much for joining TheJournal.ie. A lot of people online today were commenting on the fact you had a bit of a cough during your budget speech. Are you all right?
I am, thank you very much. I'm over it practically, yeah.
Okay. The main charge against the budget today is obviously that in some cases people who are earning less are benefiting, they're not benefiting as well as people on higher incomes. So, for example, someone on €70,000 stands to benefit by €14 extra a week, whereas someone on €15,000 stands to benefit by €2 extra a week. So is this a regressive budget in some sense?
Yes, but you see, people at €15,000 don't pay any income tax. So it's impossible to deliver relief with tax cuts to people who don't pay tax. But to get over this problem, I decided to alter US universal social charge as well as income tax. So at the bottom tranche of incomes, people below 12,000 are now out of universal social charge completely. From there up to over 16,000 then, people who previously paid tax, USC on the minimum wage at a high rate will pay it at the lowest rate. And then there's a half point taken off the lower rates of USC and the second rate of USC, and the standard rate tax band is increased by 1,000. All of those favour the lower paid. And then for middle income people, very often described as the squeeze middle, or you know, the coping classes, we tried to define that as people in incomes from about 30,000 up to 70,000. We are giving the reduction on the marginal rate of tax, but we're capping it then at 70,000 because beyond that people would have very extravagant gains if we didn't cap it. But the people lose nothing above that point because the reduction in the marginal rate of tax is cancelled out by a higher rate of USC, but they're left with the same 52% rate of tax.
With this budget today, do you think you can finally say to the Irish people that austerity is over now?
Well, I'd be hoping as the economy grows, and the Department of Finance are projecting growth rates in excess of 3% for the next 4 years. I would hope we wouldn't have to cut expenditure budgets or increase taxes significantly in the future. But of course, that depends on circumstances, and we would hope that we will use a lot of the fruits of the growth of the economy to take the debt burden down and really concentrate on creating extra jobs. The people who suffered most during the crisis were the people who lost their jobs, and then the people who had to immigrate. So we'd like to get people off the live register and back to work and get some of our young immigrants back home.
So is that a yes then? Austerity is over?
Well, you know, austerity as we know it is over. But you always have to be cautious and prudent about the future. Certainly the policies I will follow will all be geared to ensure that austerity is over.